All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is December 20, 2023. My name is John Kerrigan. I lead the BYOB trading room. We're going to do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's go take a look at some charts. Let's get this out of the way. Pull up the big one. Get the daily up there. All right, what do we got? We have a bearish engulfing coming right into the T line here at 468.67. Probably even spiking it, all right? So well below the anchored VWAP of the FOMC statement. So this will be interesting tomorrow. We got GDP coming on deck, 8:30 in the morning. And all the early birds are going to have a head start on us. So, here's the upper channel. Couldn't hold the upper channel for more than 1, 2, 3 days. That's it. 3 days. We'll see this one's still attached up there. So, next location is going to be this channel right here. 463.53. We'll see if that's where we're going in 1 day, or maybe 2 days, or maybe we head back and go visit the highs at 480. We'll see what happens. SPY still in an uptrend, all right, even though we did put in a higher high today and a lower low. So whenever you put in a higher high and a lower low, that's increased volatility. Let's go look at QQQ. The QQQ, same thing, increased volatility heading down to the T line. Again, we got bearish engulfing. Where would it come back to? The most logical point is the all-time high. And how close? Probably about 405.36 where we at. This will probably bounce tomorrow. We're right into the all-time high, coming back and testing. This would be minor support. We'll see what happens. There's QQQ. Let's take a look at FNGU. All right, so here's FNGU. And it looks the same way. All right. Got a higher high, lower low, pull back. Not quite back to the T line like the other two. FNGU kind of holding up here, looking good. On the daily chart, still in an uptrend. Everything's still in an uptrend. We are not broken yet. Everything is still bullish. IWM. All right, here's IWM. Same thing, higher high, lower low. Just consolidating here at the 197 level. Still in an uptrend. All right, Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow, higher high, lower low, coming back to the T line, still in an uptrend. All right, so got a little pullback here on Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH coming back underneath the T line, lower high and lower low. So this looks like it's probably coming back to support, which is 165.20 would be a good target for that. That would be minor support right there. So 165.20 for SMH looks like a likely target. SMH still in an uptrend, but looking for the pullback for the higher low. XLF. Here's the financials. A little bit like SMH. Wait, let's see. High for yesterday, 37.58. High for today, 37.56. Lower high, lower low. Back to the T line here. So we got like a little T line bounce possibly happening. Here's XLF, still in an uptrend. All right, let's take a look at IYT. All right, still in an uptrend. Pulling back, closing underneath the T line here. Okay, so I guess IYT did something different this morning. It gapped down and traded up and then lost it all after that afternoon sell-off. So here's IYT still in an uptrend. Looking like it's going to close inside the 3-ace trap there. So there's IYT. Let's take a look at USO. USO challenging the downtrend line here. Got a higher low and a higher high. So USO technically in a daily uptrend. All right, but still underneath the downtrend line. UNG. Natural gas putting in a higher low and a lower high. So an inside day. All right, in the 3-ace trap. Possible higher low right here. Possible. We'll see. Still got to base the downtrend line and the trend indicator and the T line and the 3. So still in a downtrend there. UNG. Silver and gold. All right, here's silver. Silver kind of moved up today, gapped up, and traded back to the 3 EMA. So I got a buy order in for here. I don't know if it got triggered, if it's going to get triggered, or whatever happens. But anyways, sold some off there and looking to reload down here. Silver in an uptrend, higher lows and higher highs. So silver back at the midpoint. Wonder what gold looks like. Gold makes a lower high and a higher low. Inside day for gold. Notice gold is over the midpoint here. Also in an uptrend. We got a higher low and we got higher highs. So we're looking for this to make another higher high. So there's gold. Now let's take a look at US dollar index, which is right there. Still consolidating at 102.50, same spot. Still unable to break that low. If that low breaks, we could get ourselves a nice rally. But right now, possible rubber band back to the flat 200 SMA. Economic calendar, we got GDP tomorrow. Jobless claims at 8:30, GDP at 8:30. Earnings for tomorrow. Tonight, we got Micron, 89 billion. Tomorrow, Nike, 184 billion. That's tomorrow night. And Cintas in the morning, 57 billion. That's it. Friday's pretty much nothing really happening Friday. These are all small cap stocks right there. All right, so that's it for us today, traders. Wow, 467.85. Wow, that's a real meltdown. All right, traders, if you got any questions, go ahead and put them in there. If not, I'm going to render my video and send it off. For positions, what do I have for positions? I have, let me see what I got. I've got it here somewhere. Here we are. We'll go to positions. So what I got for positions right now is, I've got, some of them are not in here, but I hedged some. Traded a lot of this, made a lot of profit there. I still got 250 464 puts that are coming in fast and hard, and that's looking good. I still got a 16 DTE bear call credit spread. Here's the short strike. That's the long strike. 16. I've got 30 of each of those. I've got nothing left up there. I've got some, I got 160 somewhere. I've got 160 460 puts, and they're coming in hard and fast, looking good. 2 days left on those 460 puts, and on the 464 puts, 2 days left on those. All right, and then I sold some, oh, I got 2 long puts. No, that's it right there. And I've got a couple of those puts I put a hedge on last minute here to offset those puts in case GDP numbers coming in bullish. All right, traders, that's it. I will see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the morning. It's a possibility. I'll discuss it in the morning and take a look at it. It would be nice if they had some support that we could break, but I don't know yet if we broke any. It broke any support. The only support I saw that we broke was. Let's get this up. This is the first major support. If we get through there, now we're only spiking it now, Carly. If we get follow through tomorrow, then we could look for the MMRP to circle back and then trade down lower. Okay. We'll see. The problem is they didn't put any support in. This is about the first real support. The rest of this is just is no consolidation, and they didn't put anything in. And I was talking about that's what makes it it makes it volatile, because there's nothing there to catch price. There's nothing there for you to hang your stop on. There's nothing. All it would take is a couple of bad news articles, and this thing could melt down. And who knows why it melted down today? Anybody know? Was it the FNGU? Is that what did it? You know what I'm saying? For the technicals today, we had, oh look, we fell out of the overbought zone, but something had to drag it down there. T2123. We hit the ceiling up here. That could be it. T21 coming back towards trend indicator. FNGU. Well, FNGU couldn't make any higher highs right there. So they're pulling back probably to this 200. We'll see what happens right there. So if anyone knows what instigated the sell-off, I mean, I'm going to blame it on the FNGU, because that's always led the market. All right, traders, have a good night. Thank you. See you tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning.